Okay, what's up, what's up? Eli here from Bison Automation coming at you. We just set up our workflow on our dashboard, so we set up all of our workflows here. Next, we're going to come to automations. Finally, we can set up something cool. All right, so we click on the automations. We're going to open this up here, and we're just going to come right down the list. There's a lot of stuff in here. Don't get overwhelmed. Everything in here is numerical, in numerical order, so everything that you need is here for you, okay? So we're just going to come down the list. First and foremost, we need to change out the emails in here with the email that we verified on our account. So new quote request, let's click on this. We want to add the newsletter tag, right? Unless if you don't, then click this, and you can always delete them. Delete, and then just delete action. If you click delete action from here, that will delete everything, this and everything under it, okay? Opportunity. So if we changed anything, we want to make sure that it corresponds with the correct thing, okay? And then the opportunity name. So we're going to name it the contact name. You can use this tag button here to use anything like this. So company name, and then maybe they fill out a form. You want it to be contact, custom fields, desired service. So Jim Bob, something school district, screen printed t-shirts. So that can be your opportunity name. So customize that, okay? This leave this empty, and then always make sure that you have this duplicate opportunities on, okay? It should be on automatically, but sometimes they accidentally get turned off. Make sure that's on so you can have more than one job per client in the workflow. That's what that's for, okay? Email confirmation. You're gonna right here, what says put your email here, you're going to put your email there. So whatever email that you verified and did in the other step, you're going to put that here, okay? And then you can change the subject and the description if you like. Save action, and then save it up here, okay? And then any other one here, we're going to do the same thing, okay? And any other ones that we have. And then we're just going to go down the list and do that, okay? So do that for every step that has an email. Just click it, go down the list here, every single step, okay? And then what you can do is you can start messing around with the actual automations. So a lot of these are just the quote. Once the quote's marked as sent, we're going to change it to the invoice sent. So if you changed the name of your opportunity, you can just change it in here. If you change the name of your workflow in the dashboard, if it's, whatever, save it. And then in terms of your mock-ups, so there's two ways to do it. There's the SMS, and then there's the mock-up approval. This one is kind of, it's cool, but this is the traditional way, the mock-up approval form, what we set up earlier with the template and stuff like that. So we have this, make sure this is on. And this is just going to be once the form is submitted, it's going to, automatically, put it into the next section once it's been approved. So you don't need to mess around with that too much. And then pre-production, this one, add your pre-production tasks. So if you're printing films, if there's burn-in screens, whatever, okay? So anything like that, you're going to want to edit and add. So. And then you can add these tasks for any given section. So once the mock-up has been approved, we can add tasks too for our department. You can add tasks throughout the entire process here, but most commonly the pre-production, okay? And finally, the review request. So once the order has been completed, we're going to ask them, hey, if was everything to your satisfaction? Yes, no. We're going to send them a Google review if yes. If not, it's going to notify us. If you want to change the wording, go ahead and do that. If you want to turn this off, just click draft. We suggest leaving it on because it can help you get more Google reviews. But if it's not your thing, turn it off, save it, come back, okay? And then you should be good. If you got any questions about any of the setup, reach out to me. I'll help you walk you through everything. And in terms of everything else, you can jump in, play around, kind of create your own automations. If you're familiar with Zapier, it's very similar, okay? See you in the next one.